Hi everybody, my name is Katie Tremas. I am with BlueNotary as the Notary Relations Director, and I am also a Florida commissioned notary. So today what I wanted to go over is some of the highlights of the hybrid program. This is a paid for plan that has some really nice things that support me basically in my business. And I just wanted to kind of highlight that and go over it, just in case you had any questions or were looking into it. I wrote down the top things. So number one is you can invoice outside of BlueNotary. So what I do is I set it up so that BlueNotary, the base charge is charged towards me. And then after that, I can charge my signers anything outside of that. So if I am doing a favor for a friend, or if I am doing it and I was contacted through a third-party business like a title company or a law firm, I would bill them directly instead of having the clients fill out their information. So I really like that integration. I think that it's a good thing that they did. The other thing that I like is that there is the multi-signer. So sometimes there is just one signer. So if there's a will or a minor consent, just the one parent would have to sign for it, usually. But there is always instances, and fairly often, that you have to do two signers. So if you're doing a loan closing or something like that and there's two people, the hybrid gives you that option. The other thing is branded emails. When you send out a new email to the signers, what I did is I changed it so that the avatar is my own business, and then I added in some information such as my contact information, things that they would need on hand, and then what to kind of expect. So I did that, and it's nice because it comes from BlueNotary, but they also know that it comes from me, and just to keep my business in the top of their mind. I also like that you can pre-tag the documents. So once I get something from title, usually what I'll do is I'll pre-tag everything before I send it out, just so that when I have the customer in front of me, I am not, I personally do this, is I'll panic and I'll do that in session. I usually try to avoid that because I don't like doing that. And then that's a nice addition. And then the other thing is that you can create templates. So if there's something that you know that you do a lot, so I do a lot of notice of commencements for my area. We were just hit by a hurricane, so there's a lot of building going on. So any of the construction for Lee County, I have it saved so that if they need like a roof pitch agreement, or if they need a notice of commencement, I have that on hand, so I can just send it right to the signer. We have things that are like proof of loss. Those are pretty normal that they can just create templates for. That's also nice. And then there's also the open call program. So that is something that if a regular client just goes onto the BlueNotary platform and gets signed up, if they want someone right away, it would connect to the pool of notaries, and that will come on your dashboard as an open call. So that is a nice supplement to the business, and you always want to be marketing yourself so that way you have that client base. But the open call is always a good resource, and it's a nice thing to have. Not every company has that, and it's a very competitive price point for the payout in comparison to any of the other platforms. But if you ever have any questions, feel free to reach out, join our YouTube page, and watch our I said that wrong. Join our Facebook page and watch our YouTube channel. Feel free to subscribe, and have a great day.